How about Cha-Cha?
It blew the entire motor into smithereens.
Yeah, no, this is not good.
I drink milk.
Well. Damn, looks like you got the SR20 apart.
Yeah, I'm gonna put SR20 internals into my RB25.
Correct. This is obviously that. Alright, quit bullshitting. This is a 13B, as you know. Alright, is it actually going to the shop?
Yeah, I have the afternoon off work tomorrow to take it out to Pennsylvania.
Nice.
Yes, sir. Making progress finally.
And it's going to be balanced, and then it's going to be boosted. Do you have the turbo?
Not yet.
Okay.
No turbo, no ECU yet.
So...
Get the motor together, save up money for that stuff. Or sell the speed, get money from there.
Oh my god, and drive the Corolla.
I don't know, dude.
You're scary. I'm about to have 4 cars, so I'm liquidating one of them.
Yeah.
It's probably going to be the Gray Z.
Yeah.
And I'm going to dump it all in the Silver Z.
So, David, you mind telling our audience what happened to the Zs?
Well, one of them decided to blow a head gasket, which is expected to when it overheats about 100 fucking times. And my other one blew everything. It blew the entire motor into smithereens. It was knocking, and then I revved it up, and then it went and seized it completely. You hit the starter, it goes goom, goom.
If it's the motor's fucking shot. I don't give a fuck.
I did drive it for like 5 miles knocking, not gonna lie. I did not give a fuck.
It is what it is. There.
This is a bearing?
Yes.
So this is the bearing.
That's the new bearing.
Is it 2-piece or 1?
1.
How does this...
Compared to this guy. I mean, this one isn't bad, but it's not great.
Yeah, no, this is not good. See this?
Mm.
Nah, that's not great. That's pretty shit, actually.
Yeah. And then I got the front and rear main bearings too. This one is like.
So are these actual bearings, or... Oh yeah, this is fucking... No, they're like... those kinds of bearings.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can see it kind of there. Yeah, that's fucked up.
No, I got everything but the apex seals. Cause
Where...
Goopy. Because they have a package deal where you resurface the housings. If you get that with the apex seals, they give you a discount.
Nice.
Yeah, Goopy is like the place to get your shit resurfaced, at least on the East Coast.
It's like Xenon Z cars for fucking Z31s. Yeah, this clutch is like pretty good.
Oh yeah, it should be good enough for back purposes.
That's a brand new fucking... Oh my god, the counterbalance.
it's like...
So what is the counterweight? Like where does the counterweight even like what is this countering? Like what is this countering?
The rotors in the front counterweight.
Oh shit. It's opposite of that.
Yeah, because these rotors, when they're sitting on the E shaft, they're always opposite.
Mm-hmm.
So you need to balance them out when they're spinning. You got a front counterweight, and the rear counterweight is built into the stock flywheel. But when you run aftermarket, you got to get the auto transmission counterweight. This is probably my favorite part. It's just so satisfying.
What? Where does this?
That's for the.
What is this?
I think that's
distributor.
No. This guy.
That's the oil pump? Oh yeah, that's the oil pump. Realistically, it's not like a traditional engine where there's a, the bottom half of a piston is in oil. So what's the separating? You have an oil pan, obviously.
So
how much oil do you put in that?
I don't remember. I think it's like 5.5 quarts.
Really? Huh. Okay. So this is going to be completely separate in its own chamber.
Yes, so basically these two grooves are for the oil control rings, so you have oil flowing through, squirting out of the E-shaft here. Mm-hmm. That lubricates the center bearing, or the rotor bearing. And then you either need to have your oil meter and pump, which, injects oil into the combustion chamber when you're, with your fuel basically, to lubricate all the seals in here, or you premix your gas, so you already got all your lubricants built in.
So.
Like two-stroke, basically.
Yeah.
Oil
Hobo cha-cha.
pump, freeze plug with a hole in it. Yeah, basically. Little weak dowel pin hole that'll probably break as soon as I put boost into it.
Twist. Yeah.
But hopefully, single piece dowel, oil pan brace. I don't want to stud it because that's extra machine work. I think between the two of them, I'm not going for crazy horsepower. Should be good enough. I'll be happy with like 14 pounds of boost. I'm not trying to shove like 21 chug chugs into it.
Yeah, that would be scary. No, it wouldn't. That'd be fun. Games.